Hello guys, this is Ofek here again, and today I will teach you how to create a landing page on GetResponse. By the way, don't forget that you can get 30 days of free trial with GetResponse if you click on the link in the description. To create a landing page, click on Create Landing Page in Quick Actions on Home page, or click on Menu, then Landing Pages. Then hit Create Landing Page. Now you can see there are many templates to choose from to create any kind of landing page. There are also categories to choose a landing page from for a specific use. Now I will build a new landing page from scratch. I'll just select plain template 1 and let's get started. Here you can enter your landing page name and also see a short preview of it. Now we can design our landing page. You can create a new section, product, text, image, add a new button, form, shape, webinar, countdown, a video, social elements, pay button, and add your own custom code. To replace an image, click on it and then click replace. Then upload or choose the image that you want to replace with. To change the size of the image, drag the slider. To crop the image, click on the crop button. To change the size of the image and move it, click on the square button. Now let's edit the text. You can also add a new countdown as mentioned. When you drag the countdown to the section, you need to choose when will the countdown end. You can also choose if the countdown will reset every time a visitor reaches your page. If you add a new button, you can choose what will it do when pressed. You can also choose if the link will open in a new window or in the same window. Now you can see me play around with the system, see what am I doing and learn from it. We also want to create a mobile version for our landing page. There is a mobile icon on the top of the page, click on it. If we will move elements on the mobile version, it will affect the desktop version. In order to move elements on the mobile version without affecting the desktops, click on any element and click Ctrl+O. Now you can move any object you want without affecting the desktop version. To save your landing page, click on Save on the top, or you can also save it as a template. That's it for today guys, I hope you enjoyed and learned something new.